Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it because I do upload a lot and sometimes they're time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. All right? Also, behind me there is that thumbs up. It's to remind me to remind you guys that that's where you guys can help me grow on the YouTube platform. Underneath this video, there is that thumbs up feature. If you press it, it will turn blue and the number will increase. That's you telling YouTube that you are enjoying my content and you would like YouTube then to put my videos in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they do enjoy this type of content. So I appreciate very much that you do that for me. It really means a lot and it helps me on the YouTube platform. Okay? All right. Today, because we ran out of time in the previous video, if you're not familiar, I went to ULTA. I will leave all of those videos that were before this one in the description box down below, the links, so you'll be able to catch yourself up. The first one is everything that I got at the ULTA purchase. The second one was opening up the companion to how I ended up getting this fantastic little kit, which we're going to go through today. This was for any purchases over $19.50 of ULTA merchandise. You got this bag for free. So this is going to be the free gift bag that I'm going to be showing you. I love these cylinder bags. I used to buy, and I mentioned it in other videos, from Bare Minerals, whenever they had this type of bag, this was the one that I always gravitated towards and literally would buy whatever was in it just to get the bag. So the bag on its own to me is an absolute win. And I use these for when I travel for nail polish, for hair accessories, for makeup brushes. It is just a fantastic, fantastic bag. I've already taken everything out and taken all the tissue paper and all the way that they beautifully package this. These are definitely beautiful for gift giving. It comes with a little tassel. Really, really impressed with this bag. Really happy to have it. All right, let me place everything out here so that I can go through everything with you here. All right, so we have, I'm just going to do quickly and then we'll do some swatches. The first thing that came out is this fantastic cloth. These cloths are like the makeup eraser, you know, where one side is a little bit softer. They're both soft, but one side, the fabric should be a little bit shorter in the hairs, so that's the one that you take off, and then the other side. They always recommend that you wash these first. There's no instructions or anything in this bag, but I just wanted to share that with you here. So that's what's in here. The second one is this eyeshadow palette, which we will swatch. There is no mirror in here, but this is what the colors look like here. We got two cute brushes. That's what they look like here. And then we got a full mascara. This one says on it New Heights, and it's a lifting mascara. It's very lightweight. It's that same color tone as the Too Faced mascara, but this one feels more the same weight as the L'Oreal Paradise here. Then we got one of their lip glosses in Shiny Sheer, and I do not think that this color was in the one that we just did everything, not just, it's going to be in a previous video, which I will leave underneath, where it came with a whole row of glosses, lip oils that were sheer, opaque. It was really beautiful, beautiful. And if you haven't seen that, like I said, I'll link it down below. Then we got, they didn't cross over anything that was in the bonus bag based on the one that we just bought. This is the mattifying face primer. Excited to get that. This one I have heard fantastic reviews about. This is the matte eye primer in nude. We did get an eye primer in the other one, but it wasn't matte, so excited to get that. And then we got a full lipstick in here in this beautiful, beautiful container, and it looks like it is going to be like a nudie tone. So let's start with that first. So we'll do that swatch first, but the bullet on this is stunning, just stunning, very, very high end, but it does feel light. and it is an extremely moisturizing lipstick. It's stunning. I should show you this way. Stunning, stunning. Really, really pretty. Okay. That's the first item. The next is the eye primer. There is no safety seal, but it says it has nude, so I'm assuming there's going to be a color. Yeah. And I like when there's a color. I don't have any discoloration yet on my my eyelids, but a lot of girls mention that they sometimes have veiny eyelids, or if you use a lot of dark colors and sometimes the pigmentation comes off on your eyeshadows, then you would always want to cover it up and give yourself that clean surface. And when there's a bit of a color in it, that helps out a lot too. So really, really nice. It went on very, very smooth and very moisturizing, and the coverage is really unbelievable. That's what that looks like there. All right. And then the next item that we got was a face primer, and it says it's a mattifying one. Oh, wow. Look at that. So let's see. I've never seen a primer with this type of ball. That is unbelievable. That's what that looks like here. And then you can just rub it around with that ball. This is so unique and cool. Wow. And it goes on really nicely, and it spreads it beautifully as well. I'm just going to take my finger to it so that I can tell you what it feels like. Oh, it is, it feels like silk. And the coverage that it's giving you, it is totally like velvet. That's the only word I can think of. So it's based on my regular skin versus the one that has it. It's like two different things. This feels rougher, and this feels very smooth and silky. Really, really nice. Another winner. This one here, there is nothing in here that has been a dud. This is the Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss. We'll do a little swatch of her. And that's what it looks like here. And I'm sure it's just going to be a sheer. Yeah, very, very sheer. And then we'll just see if it has that stickiness to it. Nope, not too bad. All right, and that's what it looks like right there. So where you see that shine. So it is a sheer, and that it says it's sheer, and it is. Then we have the mascara that I'm not going to open because I have so many open, but we're excited to have an opportunity to try that as soon as I get down to a few more. Then we have some small eyeshadows, but it's just very, very festive. These I used to think, oh, these small little brushes, what are you going to do with them? These are fantastic, fantastic for detailing. If people want to use this, and what I end up using these for are concealers. I put this, if I'm doing my Becca under eye, I will take that and these small little brushes so that I can go all the way close to my eye, and I can bring it back down. So these smaller brushes come in really, really handy, especially if you have smaller eyes like me. This one is fantastic too. It's more of a detailed brush, so you could use this almost like a pencil brush as well as a blending brush. And the bristles of this feel exceptionally soft, and as long as it picks up product, these are absolutely a winner. And then the last item that we're going to do is do some swatching. So let's see what we did here. So the names on here are City Lights, Meet Me Downtown, Wanderlust, But First Coffee, Gridlock, Rush Hour, Nightlife, and Skyline. And that's what that looks like here. So it is a true basic natural palette, but it does have a mixture of your mattes and your satin shimmers. And let's just do some swatching. So we got 4 on the top row, which makes life easier for me. And that's what they look like there. And they're swatching beautifully. That's what they look like there. And then we'll do the last 4. And that's what they look like there. Okay, the brown had a little bit, it's really, really deep. This one you have to use a lot lighter than the other ones. It has really a strong pigment, so there was a little bit of kick up, but just make sure to tap off your brushes before you use that. All the other ones I did not feel that with, but this is really, really pretty. And that's everything that we got in this kit. So once again, this was with ULTA. For anything over $19.50 in the Ulta brand, this is a free gift with purchase. It came with the cloth. It came with a full 8-pan eyeshadow, beautiful, 2 brushes, a full mascara, a deluxe version of their Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss. And these two I'm really impressed with because I heard some great reviews and now I have the opportunity to try them. A mattifying face primer and a mattifying eye primer. And because I'm combo and I have oily eyelids, this will be really, really fantastic. And then finally another full-size lipstick in a fantastic, fantastic color. So once again, everybody, have to share with you when I find these finds, because this is Christmas time and this is when we're going to see a lot of these great gifts with purchases, and I don't want you to miss out. So once again, everybody, this was from Ulta Beauty, and that's it for today. All right, I will link the other ones down below so you'll be able to catch up and see what I bought as the full, because there'll be another video or two of the other items that were in that initial video, so I can swatch all of that for you, and we'll take it from there. All right, once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But always during this time, everybody, please continue to stay safe and stay well, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.